How to measure for inside mount for 2-inch premium cordless faux wood blinds. Let's make sure an inside mount will work for your window. Using a metal tape measure, first check if you have sufficient depth. Measure inside the opening from the back of the window to the front of the opening where the blind would mount. The depth at the top of the window must be at least 1 1/8 inches to mount the brackets. To have a flush mount, meaning the blind is fully recessed in the window opening, the depth must be at least 3.5 inches. If your depth is not sufficient for mounting the brackets, please see our outside mount instructions or consider an alternative product. Let's start with the width. Measure inside of the window opening from left to right to the nearest 1/8 inch at 3 places. At the top of the opening, the middle of the opening, and then the bottom of the opening. Write down all 3 measurements and circle the narrowest. If rounding is necessary, round down to the nearest 1/8 inch. This is your ordering width. Now, let's do the height. Measure the inside of the window from the top of the opening to the bottom of the window opening and round to the nearest 1/8 inch at 3 places. On the left-hand side, the middle, and on the right-hand side. Write down all 3 measurements and circle the tallest. This is your ordering height. Please note, the factory will make the necessary deduction of approximately 3/4 of an inch to the headrail and 1/2 of an inch to the blind slats to ensure the movement within the window opening. The width variance is plus or minus 1/8 inch. There will be no deductions for your height. Now, you are ready to order your blinds.